Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is inside the bag. If I can get it open, it's another one of those lovely padded ones. Well, we have lots of padding. No, we have cross stitch. If I can get it out of the bag. All right. These kits come from DiamondArtDecor, and if they have any specials, or if I have any discount codes, or they have any discount codes, that's going to be right in here and in the description below. So we're going to start with the first one. Let me get this out of the way and try to figure out how to get this out of the bag. Be right back. All right, I am back. This is a 14 count, 40 by 40. It was $11.79, 14 count. And I'm looking to see if there's any. This is the picture. It is like a stained glass autumn picture. I thought it was quite pretty. And I think it'll be beautiful. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now it's on a piece of paper that does have the instructions at the bottom. So you have full instructions there. So that's nice. Let's see how the paper pattern looks. Quite big. Does have 30 colors. Looks a little bit confetti, but not too horrible. I mean, from what I can see here. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black, 498 red, 550 purple, 666 red, no 823 or 939. We have 3770, which is that butter color, and for this background of the blue, it's 3865. But very nice pattern, very well printed. I'm not sure who the company was. I don't know that it even said it was. But yeah, I thought it was going to be stunning. Just stunning. Looks like there's some browns in there, but I just don't know those numbers. You know, for all the browns. Now, it does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader, and the number 1. Let's see here. What was I going to do? Oh, I knew what I was going to do, but then I got stopped. So, I want to match up paper pattern, canvas, and the threads. The product number is 914. 914. And on the paper pattern, 914. So everything should match up. I'm just going to set that up there and move that out of my way. Look at those beautiful colors. They are in thread tabs. Just 1 minute. All right, I am back. Look at those stunning, stunning colors. 666 red. I haven't found 550 purple yet. It's here, honest. There's your 310 black. 498 is right there. And this is your 550 purple. There's a little piece of brown right there, but you get the point. Very nice. Even some turquoise blues, some golds. Just stunning, stunning colors. Of course, you're going to have quite a bit of that 3865. This is 902. It's a darker brick red. Very nice. Just absolutely lovely. Ooh, we even have pinks. I saw pink. Kind of a pink. Turquoises, teals, golds, golden browns. Just stunning, stunning colors. Just beautiful. That's a lot of thread for a 14 count, but okay. Almost feels like it's an 11, but it isn't. we can't get that lucky. Nope. It is 14 count, and it is serged all the way around, so very nicely made. It is 187 stitches by 187 stitches. Just stunning canvas. Very easy to see symbols. I'll try to get it to focus. But very nice. Very nicely done. Just beautiful. And the serging does not go into the key over here, but your paper pattern will match your canvas in this. Hold just 1 minute. Sorry, I dropped something on the floor. All right. Yeah, I think this is going to be beautiful. I have other stained glass ones somewhere. I'm not sure where. This is 39 centimeters, or a little over 15 1/4 inches by 40 centimeters, or 15 3/4 inches. Actual is 13 1/4 inches, or 33.5 centimeters by almost 13 inches, or almost 33 centimeters. So it's not too big. But I think it'll just be stunning with all these colors. I can hardly wait to start that tree. Oh yeah, that's what got me, was the tree. It's just beautiful. And this is that nice. It's rougher fabric, guaranteed, but it is so much easier to crunch down and be able to hold it in your hand. I mean, after you've stitched for a little bit, you know, it just turns very soft. So very nice. All right. So the next one is a Joy Sunday, and it's called Door of Autumn. It's 28 by 36. It was $6.99. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. It's another autumn picture. I saw these. You can get all 4 seasons, you know, if you want. But, yeah. I got autumn. And I might go back and get the others. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so simplistic. Beautiful colors. The oranges against the blues. Yeah. Complementary colors. You even have some of the, oh gosh, what is that called? The lap siding? No, that's not right. No. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's a wooden house. But other than that, it's called something. Is it Dutch lap? No, that isn't right either. Ay, ay, ay. But yeah, I just love the pumpkins, the blue door. Yeah, the blue got me. You know it. I know it. This is 113 stitches by 156 stitches. It's kind of long and up and down. And it does, okay, they only have 1 set of numbers on this. And these are the numbers for the paper pattern. So there'll be a whole other key for the canvas. And we have a total of, whoops, I went the wrong way. 37 colors. You have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, only 1 color, which is that pewter color, 3799. I forgot to mention that one. And they're using B5200 for the white. So, very nicely done pattern. There's going to be some back stitching. This might be a little bit of a challenge, but the rest of it looks like straight line stitching. I mean, back stitching, you know. Oh, you got a little bit around the leaves, but just follow the leaf, you know. It's not hard. Now, your half cross stitch is going to be in the background. So, very nice. What colors do we have here? We have no 310 black, so they're using, they have 939 and that 3799. God, it's on the other side, Laura. Well, yeah, 3799. So I don't see anything that I know of except for 939 No, 3371 and B5200 and a crew. So, I'm not sure. Is that like... I'm not seeing that symbol. Oh, it's in the door frame. Kind of like a highlight. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Love it. Let's take a look at those gorgeous Joy Sunday colors. Oh, yeah. If I can get them undone. They've all been packed together. So, you have 1.5 what do you call it? Paper things. Comes with 2 needles. This comes on a regular thread card. It doesn't have all that information that the others did. But look at the blues and the golds. Kind of orange. There is that pewter color right there. Just beautiful. And on this side we got bright, vivid oranges. And no true reds. I would have thought they might have even used a brick red, but nope, just blues and oranges. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Look at that blue. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful colors. I think it'll be lovely. And it is a partial. Let me roll that up so nobody gets lost and flip the canvas. Oh, please be okay. Oh, yeah. So this is not as long and skinny as I thought it was going to be. There is another one similar, and I think it's got something to do maybe with Halloween, but it's really long and skinny. But this one is not bad at all. So, very nicely done. Let me just fold it so I can hold it as still as I possibly can. Just beautiful. Has not been wet. We're going with that. Lovely big key. Very easy to see symbols, DMC number, and the thread card numbers up at top. It goes all the way down this side. Here's your French knot. And then on this side, you have your half cross stitches and your back stitches. So yeah, this should not be too difficult at all. Oh, now you're going to say, well, which one are you going to start today? Yeah, I have no idea. I guess we'll both know at the same time. Jeez. But yeah, I love this. I really do. So I'll check into the other doors and see, you know. I don't know what that other one's called. I can't. No, I don't remember. I've looked at and seen way too much. Okay, that is all I got from Diamond Art Decor. Thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for these 2 beautiful, stunning autumny kits. Yeah, lovely. Just absolutely lovely. Love them. Now, Diamond Art Decor has cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And I'm pretty sure that they have the beaded cross-stitch by now. And they do custom. And I believe it's only in diamond painting, but you can check that out to see if they have that in cross-stitch as well. They always have great prices, great selection. So do check them out. People are having their Halloween sale, so I don't know how long beyond Halloween that's going to last. So do check them out. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.